The most unexpected item in my bag is... Hi guys, I'm Meredith Duxbury. Are you ready to spill it? I'd say this is like my comfort bag. So my bag is from Givenchy. I bought it when I was in Rome recently. I wanted like a big oversized shoulder bag that I can kind of throw on, like use it for the airport, use it if I'm just walking around. I love like a neutral bag. It can go with everything. And I also love that it had like the cute little bows on the bottom. I like that it had that detailing. It kind of just adds a little bit of cuteness to it. Okay, you guys, let's see what's in my bag. First item, headphones. I wear these headphones all the time. Airport, walking around, going shopping, and I feel like I'm in my own little world. These are great if you just like need a second to be with yourself and your mind and just put some nice music on. Next is my camera. This is the Canon G7X. I take this everywhere with me also. It takes good photo and it's easy to use. Next is my portable charger. You literally just plug it into the wall. It's so easy. It comes in so many different colors. It's super sleek and it has a few different chargers that you can use. This is amazing. I love this. Next item are my sunglasses. These are from Saint Laurent. They are so chic. I love them. They also come in like a tortoiseshell ones. They kind of amp up any outfit you're wearing. Now let's get into the makeup and the lip products. I literally love the Charlotte Tilbury Iconic Nude Lip Liners. They're so good. They're just the best. My favorite shade. You can wear it with like really any lip color and it just goes perfectly. I always have a pencil sharpener on me too because you need your lip liners to be sharp. And then this is the best plumping gloss ever. It's from Charlotte Tilbury. It's a Pillow Talk Big Lip Plumpgasm. It's great. I love it. Then I have a few other lipsticks. This one's from Prada Beauty and Charlotte Tilbury again. I think this is shade Kim Kardashian West and shade B11. These are like my favorite nude lip combos. This little bag is from Dior. It's so cute. It fits perfectly into my bag. Next, I always have some mini makeup products to touch up. I have a little skin prep. This is the Charlotte Magic Serum. And then I have the L'Oreal Revitalift like under eye. It's so good. And look at how cute this mini flawless filter is. This is so good. It makes you look so awake and glowy. Just a little Kosas concealer. Not too many products, just like a few little things to kind of pull yourself together. Next is a Tide to Go stick. Everybody needs one of these. I remember I was going to dinner once and I was doing my makeup. I had this beautiful white dress on and I leaned over. My foundation had gotten onto the counter and I got foundation all over the dress. I'm not kidding. This little thing got all of the foundation out in like 10 minutes. It was a miracle. So I do not travel without one of these, especially during fashion month. It's so important. This is the Parfum de Marly Delina fragrance. I take this with me everywhere. You guys have to try this perfume. It's so good. Then I always have a hand sanitizer on me. It's so sleek and just fits in any bag that you have. It's eucalyptus scent and it's just so cute. I love it. Okay, next item is this fashion tape. I have this with me wherever I go. It kind of gives you peace of mind if you have an outfit that's just like not staying in place. This is good to just have on you and your friends might need it too, so. Then I have my wallet. This wallet is from Saint Laurent. It fits a lot of cards and it also has a little spot in the middle for like coins. I keep my SD cards in there. Next is my brush. I always have a brush in my bag. My hair is always acting up, so never know when I'm gonna need this. It's super soft on the hair and it does not pull your hair out. It's not rough, so this is great to have. Next is this little mirror. This is from Saint Laurent too, and it's so chic. It can fit in your wallet or your purse, and it's just this like double-sided mirror. It has my initials on it. Definitely recommend having a mirror if you need to do like makeup touch-ups or something like that. The most unexpected item in my bag are these Ollie Goodbye Stress Gummies. I get a lot of anxiety and stress. They kind of just calm you down and make you feel a little bit more relaxed. They have GABA, L-theanine, and lemon balm in them, and they taste like candy, so it's a win-win. Oh, I forgot one more thing. This little Listerine Cool Mint pocket packs. This is like tiny, it's easy, so yeah, I always have this with me too. And I I think that's everything. To watch more videos like this, subscribe here.